Siemens approached me about 3 years ago to produce some furniture for them, which I did. And then they called me back in and said, we'd like to start inspiring the kids from the local college. So these guys are all studying art and design, and what we're doing is we're setting them a challenge to design something beautiful for the downstairs reception area made out of some of the second appliances from Siemens. All of these components are good quality components. It's a really nice selection as well, isn't it? It's a bit of metal, bit of plastic, bit of rubber. I'm not a massive fan of things that don't function. I see the beauty in them, but I think it adds an extra dimension if the product actually functions. So what I'd love to see is some items of furniture. Furniture for me is the ultimate because people interact with it. They've got some wonderful items which you can probably see in front of you. You've got stainless steel washing machine drums, we've got ovens, we've got hobs, we've got motors out of these appliances which they've got stainless steel, they've got plastic, rubber, insulation materials, all of these wires that they can weave together. They've got some wonderful materials, and I think, having just met the first group, I think we can expect some great things.
Basically the product is about getting those scrap bits of like metal from washing machines and that, and making something with it, like, I don't know, anything, like making an art piece out of it or furniture or anything. And we've got Max, but he's really cool, so he's with us today, and I'm really excited to do it, I am.
Basically we came on a visit just to get to know the place a little bit more, their basic information on their background, so we get a better idea on our project as well and help us.
I like to be an interior designer, and I like to try new things. I think this would be nice to like do a chair or anything. Would be really nice. Yeah, I've got loads.
I think they've actually taken on board everything that we've asked them to do from when we originally sort of set out the brief back in November last year. I think they've all taken to heart the project absolutely fantastically.
So have you been impressed by the designs the students have come up with?
Very much. It's impressive. 16-year-olds have been able to achieve this kind of product in the end. They're presenting to us, which is a huge task, but it's been amazing.
Good. I think the thing we're most proud of at the college is our students. They're so talented and creative, and this project has really been a great vehicle for that. So we're really pleased and thankful to you for supporting our students in this opportunity. Their first major project and the first time they've worked kind of with external people judging them. They're used to getting feedback from their teachers and from each other, but to feel the difference when somebody else is coming in.
And do you think having a brand like Siemens?
I think it's made a huge difference because it makes the whole project so much more real.
I'm impressed with what the students have produced today. I think for us it's exciting as a brand to be involved with students at this age, drawing creativity from them. And for me it's exciting to see how they've used the different elements of the products and not had any boundaries, which they've done extremely well. So we challenged you to create something from utilising components from any of our product categories. All of the components were presented to you, and they were all from used machines, and you had to choose components from, whether it be from our ovens, our hobs, hoods, washing machines, dishwashers or refrigeration products. And the bit I respect is how you all saw something different in all of those components and how you took that forward.
I thought it was just going to be like, I was just going to talk like a 10-minute presentation, turn out in 10 seconds. I could do it in
literally 10 seconds. It felt just over.
I just kept talking. I felt like I was like one of those chatty people that nobody can get a word in sideways.
I feel happy that I've achieved this and now I'm celebrating with cookies.
Yeah, quite nerve-wracking.
I'm so happy about what I've got out of it.
It was nerve-wracking because I wasn't used to it. Like, I've never done anything like that before. But it was alright. I enjoyed it.
Outstanding design we saw today, and you get the way of the history. It's from a product and that upcycling to a new design, to a new kind of integrity. That's what we get. So on that side, Elliot, congratulations for that.
I'm really into upcycling. I love the idea of it, and I find that people generally, if they understand the term, they may sometimes get it wrong and they think it's just recycling, when actually it's not. It's adding value by design, and it's going the opposite way to recycling, taking materials up the chain rather than down the chain. And I just think that everybody today, all the finalists, grasped that to such an extent that they'd also added innovation, imagination, creativity, and a lot of them showing really skilled design techniques. And actually, I'm a little bit awestruck. So believe it or not, this is me slightly lost for words, because it's a much higher level than I expected to see.
It's been great seeing young people being that kind of enthusiastic with their products, with a kind of design, and seeing us having got in a link, in a relationship with the people.
The gravity hasn't fully hit me yet. As soon as I get home, it's just going to be like, oh my god, I've won. But I love it so much. I love the fact that my design got chosen, and I feel so proud of it.